Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into HubSpot website step by step. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar you can simply type in HubSpot. You can then hit go or enter on your keyboard and then tap on the first link saying HubSpot. After that, tap on the three lines at the top right of your screen and then hit login. Here you must enter your email, hit continue and follow the on-screen instructions to log in. If you have not created your account, then you can simply hit create an account, which is at the center of your screen. Here you can sign up with Google, sign up with Microsoft or with Apple. Or you can also sign up with your email, in which case you'll have to enter your email. I've got autofill enabled, so autofill has filled in the email for me, and then hit verify email. For this, a verification code will be sent to your Gmail app. I'm signing in with Gmail, so I'm opening the Gmail app. If you've got some other email, then open the app of your email. After that, refresh it, tap on the email sent by HubSpot, long press on the link, hit copy, head back over to your browser, long press on the box, hit paste, and then hit next. After that, you'll have to create a password for your account, hit next, and then you'll be able to create an account. On the particular browser that you're creating your account, you'll be automatically logged in. If you want to log in to some other device or browser, then you'll have to enter your password along with your email address. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.